Hello, welcome to our lesson 6 of factoring trinomials, the last part of our session today. We have the factoring trinomials prior to um, polynomials prior to trinomials. And this time around, ito na yung medyo baka mas madalian kay method, the slide and divide method. Okay? So, when it comes to the methodology ng ano natin, ng mga techniques natin na i-apply to any polynomials, you can choose what is the best for you. Hindi naman kailangan easy method, kailangan ganitong method. Hindi naman. It depends on you kung ano yung gusto nyong method. Kung nadalian kayo dito, then much better. If not, go to the other methods. Okay? So, let's start with the slide and divide method. Okay? So, for our first example ng ating slide and divide, I'm going to use this in comparison with the AC method. So, with the AC method, yung same example natin kanina na 5x squared plus 26 plus 24, ito yung kinalabasan niya. So, we multiply this 5 and 24 dito. And then, checking on kung ano pwede maging factors ng 120 para makakuha ng 26. Okay? And then, later on, in-apply natin yung dalawang factors ng 120 dito. And then, we continue it. This time around, it's a bit different, but almost the same style as the AC method. So, what do you mean by that? Okay? So, in this slide and divide na gagawin natin, we're going to directly multiply the 5 going towards 24. Okay, what do you mean by that? So, mangyayari sa kanya, magiging x squared plus 26x. And then, 5 times 24, that is a plus 120. So, in this case, ang mangyayari sa kanya ay magiging x squared, 1 na lang dito yung matitira. At dahil 1 na lang dito yung matitira, pwede natin gawin tong method natin na diretso na lang. Okay? Ayan. So, for this slide and divide technique natin, I'm going to multiply this one. Okay, so we get 120. And then, ano yung gagawin natin dito sa 120? We're going to find the factors na kung saan pag pinag-add natin, magiging 26. So, from our previous, we have 6 and 20. So, lalagyan na natin dito ay x plus 6 and then x plus 20. Okay? So, ano yung gagawin natin dito? Ano yung magiging ano yung magiging next step natin? So, we are done with the slide. Okay, ito yan. Now, we're going to divide. Ano yung pandi-divide natin? Siyempre, kung ano yung pinang-multiply natin sa unahan, which is letter A. So, yun yung ipandi-divide natin dito. So, that is divided by 5 and divided by 5. Kung minultiply nyo, in-slide nyo, syempre, i-divide nyo using the same number. So, for this one, unahin muna natin itong right side. 20 divided by 5. So, cancel, cancel. Dito magiging 1. Dito magiging 4. So, lalabas yan. Ito, i-multiply natin dito kung ano yung nakuha natin dito sa baba. So, lalabas dyan. We have 1 times x. We have x. Then, plus, kung ano yung natira, plus 4. Next natin. Kapag hindi na siya divisible, 6 and 5, ang gagawin natin ay ililipat na lang natin to dito, diretso. I-multiply na lang natin. So, we have 5 times x, we have 5x, then natira, plus 6. And now we have the factors for this one. And also the same dun sa AC method natin. So, that's how slide and divide works. For our next example, we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 30. So, let's use the slide and divide. Mag-slide muna tayo. Papunta dito kay 30 na negative. So, lalabas yan, we have x squared plus 7x. 2 times negative 30, that is negative 60. And now, we're looking for the factors ng negative 60 natin para makuha natin yung ating factors. Para dun sa ano natin, sa dalawang set natin. Okay? So, we have x on both. And factors ng 60 para makuha natin yung positive 7. So, we have, malagay natin dito, we have 5 times 12. Okay? So, 5 times 12, since it is a negative at lalabas ay positive, so, kung sino man yung dalawang factor na mas malaki, siya dapat yung the same sign as the middle. So, in this case, 12 is the positive and the other one is negative. So, pagka pinag-add natin to, subtract 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay. So, let's rewrite this one. We have negative 5 and then we have plus 12. Next natin, we divide it using the A natin. Using the A and using the A. Ito muna. 12 divided by 2. We have 6 and then we have 1. So, yung 1 natin, multiply natin dito. So, ang lalabas dyan ay x times 1, we have x, and then yung natira, plus 6. And dito sa kabila, since wala na siyang kapares, diretso natin dito. So, ang lalabas dyan ay 2x minus 5. And that is how you do the slide and divide. Now, checking on the, on the AC method, mapapansin natin na pares naman silang dalawa. Okay, so you choose your own method para sa pag-solve natin ng mga susunod na mga example. And you can use the same same examples, sample exercises. But this time around, we're going to use the slide and divide. And that is it for the factoring of polynomial.